So this section is getting into costs. So our first one is manufacturing costs. So manufacturing means you're making something and then you're going to sell it. So there's different things to consider. A manufacturer, someone that makes something, has a material cost. So how much does it cost for them to make the item? The labor cost, how much it costs to pay someone to work and help make the item. And the prime cost is when we add those two things together. Okay, so we're going to go through some examples. There's some in your notes, but the first one, all we're looking for is material cost. So a case, 300 washers per still strip, and it's $8.70 per strip. And then it goes into labor costs, which we don't care about. Okay, so on these you have to filter, what am I actually looking for? Okay, so think of a giant still strip, there's 300 washers on it. Those cost $8.70. So we're going to make some fractions, and it's easiest to remember that the money goes on the numerator. Okay, so $8.70, and there's 300 washers. And that is going to give us our materials cost. So $8.70 divided by 300, and it's money, right? Whenever we talk about money, we round to the nearest cent. That's two numbers after the decimal. So I'm going to go over here. That's greater than 5, so this 2 changes to a 3. So the material cost is 3 cents per washer. Okay, use the case to answer the question, and I'm going to jump to the end. I'm looking for the labor cost. Okay, so when it talks about 28 boxes per sheet of cardboard, it's $3.60 per sheet. None of that matters for what we're looking for. We're only looking at the labor. Okay, so labor, it's $8.60 per hour, and there's 150 boxes to cut per hour. So again, we're going to create a fraction with the money on top. Okay, so $8.60 divided by 150, and that's going to give us the labor cost for each sheet of cardboard. So $8.60 divided by, I already forgot, 150. 0.057. Okay, and I'm writing out the 3 numbers just so we can round together. Nearest cent. So you look at the third. If it's greater than 5, it changes only this number. So it's 6 cents would be the labor cost. Okay, use the following information, and I'm going to jump to the end. We want to find the prime cost. So prime is when we take both of them, material, and we add the labor. So now we need everything. Okay, so the Levitt Manufacturing Company builds boat propellers. Each roll yields 250 propellers. Each roll costs $6.95. Break. Then it goes into the labor charge. So material, and then labor. $26.50 per hour. The machine can operator can produce 20 propellers in an hour. So that's our labor, and we're going to do those separate. So let's start with material, money on top. So $6.95 over 250. And then we're going to add the labor, money on top, $26.50 over 20. Let's see what we get. So $6.95 divided by 250, that's the materials plus the labor, $26.50 divided by 20 is 4.105, which rounds to 411. Okay, so on this section, find what you're looking for. Create your fraction. Prime means add them together. Good luck.